If you are preparing for GATE CSE and your aim is not just qualifying but scoring 90 plus marks, then watch this video carefully. I'm not here to motivate you. I am here to tell you what actually will work. Whether you are in second year, third year, or final year, or a dropper, whatever I am going to do, whatever I am going to say, this will be applicable to you. And I strongly suggest don't skip it. Missing one part in this video can easily cost you 10 to 15 marks in the actual final exam. So remember, don't miss anything. Every year I see same problem. Students work very hard, but still they don't get results. Not because they are weak, but because they don't prioritize correctly. They study everything equally. But do you know, toppers don't do that. They identify high impact topics. They will go so deep and practice them properly. Instead of going everything deeply, so high impact topics they will find out, they will go deeper and they will practice more. That's exactly what we are going to do in this video. Before we start, do one small thing to me. Write in the comments. You are preparing for GATE 2026, 90 plus marks, then write GATE 2026, 90 plus marks. If you are preparing for GATE 2026, for the rank under 100, please write GATE 2026 under 100. GATE 2027 under 10th rank. GATE 2028 under 1st rank or under 5th rank. Whatever your goal, please write in the comment. Don't underestimate whatever I'm saying. When you write your goal publicly, your preparation becomes so serious. There are some people who will write publicly saying that I want this rank. So they will normally, will become more serious. So I am really saying to you, I read your comments regularly. So I request you, please write in the comment section. What is your goal? Say the year, say the rank. Or say the year, say the marks. Please write if you are serious. Now let's move to the main part. There are 50 most important topics for the GATE CSE exam. Not based on some guesswork, based on previous years, weightage and patterns. Because I'm guiding students since 2007. I see in every year question paper, I used to think like this question will come or not. From this topic it came or not. From that subject, from this topic it came or not. Lot of experience I went all these years. I kept my total experience here. Now I am saying, subject wise, what is the weightage also, what are the subjects order also, what are the topics which are going to give more marks. Yeah, without wasting one more minute, let me start the 50 important topics to get the 90 plus marks. Yeah, first subject is algorithms, right? So I listed out all the things. Can you see this one in algorithm? So first one is a time complexity. Second one is asymptotic notation. Third one is recurrence relation solving. Fourth one is merge sort, quick sort, heap sort. Fifth one is finding max min, binary search, shortest path and a spanning tree. Right? Matrix chain multiplication and LCS. So from the dynamic programming, matrix multiplication and LCS many times came. From the greedy technique, right? So single source shortest path and spanning tree. Single source shortest path means the Dijkstra's algorithm. That's spanning tree, Prim's algorithm, Kruskal algorithm. Next one, right? This is from the greedy technique. From the divide and conquer, right? Most probably these merge sort, quick sort, heap sort. Right, finding max min and binary search. These are from approximately from divide and conquer. So these are recurrence relation solving every time coming. So asymptotic notation, time complexity finding, right? These are the things. So this is coming most probably every time, every year, right? I think that 1 or 2 questions will be expected from these 3. So these all are important from algorithm subject. These are the topics. Please don't leave them. If you study more, no issue at all. Minimum study these. More you study, more advantage you will get, but minimum you have to study. So if you do that, if you do these, you are going to get maximum marks. So from the first subject, algorithm, these are the topics which are really important, which are coming again and again in the examination. Right? Let's go to second subject. Second subject is data structures. Right? If you see the data structure linked list, right, one question is coming, maybe insertion, maybe deletion, maybe some operations on the linked list, or maybe applications of the linked list, or maybe different types of the linked list. So time complexity questions also you can expect from the linked list. Next one, BFT, DFT, pre-order, in-order, post-order. Compulsory, one or two questions will come from this. Hashing is every year coming, one or two questions. Right? Minimum one question you can expect. Binary tree and binary search tree. Right? One or two questions are coming. Stack and queue, one or two questions are coming. So please careful. So this is also very, very important one. If you study these, minimum these you study. Study minimum these, you are going to get a very good marks. Many students are asking this again and again. That is the reason I am saying this. Sir, what are the free resources we have to follow so that we can crack the GATE rank? All the free resources which are needed, we kept in the description, right? We kept all the links. You can use them comfortably. 6,000 verified questions so that you can do very good practice. Daily quizzes also there, that link also there. Mark tests also, free mark tests also. We kept that also. And most important thing is a doubt solving group, right? If you have any doubt in any subject, in any topic, you can post in the ExamPrepTool doubt solving group. You can comfortably ask all your doubts freely. All the free things we kept in the description. Please go ahead. Our next subject is going to be theory of computation. So DFA, right? DFA. So constructing DFA, minimal DFA, how many states? Question you can expect. Mostly that kind of question will be there in the exam. They will give some theoretical thing and they will ask what is the regular expression for that. That is also. Next one, DFA given, regular expression they will ask. Regular expression given, DFA they will ask. Please practice few problems on that. Most probably 4 marks you will get like that. One more thing is, right, they will give something and they will ask you, can you construct the PDF for this? Some options are given. They will give some problem, they will ask you CFG, right? Or PDA given, CFG given, PDA. So something like that you can expect. So you can expect, right? You can expect from here 2 to 4 marks, right? So practice some problems. Next one, Turing machine, right? Undecidability, right? So few problems you practice. And the most important thing is closure properties and decision problems or decision properties. So 2 tables are there. Please take care. So from this you may get the 2 to 4 marks, right? This I think Turing machine undecidability, it will come from there only. It will come from there only. Next one, they will give you some language. They will ask you, given language is regular or not, given language is CFL or not, given language is CSL or not. Like that, they will ask you, right? A few more questions like that. These are the most important topics from the theory of computation. These are the most important things. So if you study this, maximum marks you can get it. I'm observing from last 17 years. I'm observing. If you can concentrate on this, maximum marks you can gain. Maximum marks you can gain. Yeah. Fourth subject is compiler design, right? Compiler design. Let's see this. Let's see the compiler design. Counting the number of tokens from the tokens from the lexical analyzer. You can expect the counting number of tokens. Please do 10 problems practice. Next one is checking given grammar is LL1 grammar or not. Checking given grammar is LR, right? LR grammar or not. So I think you have to do very good number of problems because mostly many questions will come from this area. Next one, SDT. SDT also few problems practice. At least all PYQs you practice. Next one, right? Take the one problem and constructing DAG. For the given expressions, creating DAG. So creating DAG also very, very important. Right? So please practice at least 10 problems. At least PYQs, please do that. Next one, right? Next one expression is given. You have to write static single assignment. Right? So next one is one expression is given, control flow graph drawing. So these also please practice few problems. Runtime environment, theoretical questions you can expect. Code optimization, live variable analysis, please practice few problems. From the last few years, right? Compulsory questions are coming from live variable analysis also, code optimization also. Some 10 code optimization techniques are there. Please go through all of them one time with one example. Because you may expect some theoretical question. Live variable analysis also, please take care. This is from compiler design. Right? Let's go to computer network. right? Computer network, if you see, some people will think that computer network is a very, right, huge subject, means a lot of syllabus is there. People will think like that, right? In my opinion, so, right, I have a lot of experience with that particular subject. I just want to say this is a very easy, right? The reason is from IP addressing, right? One or two questions will come from sliding window protocol, right? One or two questions will come. If you are lucky, two questions may come. Next one, CSMA by CD also. One question maybe you can expect. IP header, routing algorithm, fragmentation, right? You will get the few questions, standard questions. Transportation, right? Transport header, TCP state diagram, the standard questions will come. Application layer, right? So I think 5 application layer things you take care. 5 application layer protocols, right? Right? There are few things are there. Please go through it. Next one, error detection technique. So that is a CRC. CRC also take care. So if you study this, maximum marks you can get it. Maximum. Most of the things will come from this only. Whatever I shown on the screen, these 6 topics, so mostly these only will come. I'm saying again and again, these only will come. And remember, study these. If you have time, you can study more also. Minimum study this. Minimum study this. Application layer, right? There are 5 application layer protocols are there, right? There are 5 or 6 application layer protocols. Please go through it one time, right? If you follow classes, they are more than enough. That is the 5th one is computer network. Let's go to 6th one, discrete mathematics. Discrete mathematics, it is also, people will think that this is a very big subject. True, it is a very big subject, but you are not doing PhD, you are preparing for exam. So I request you, I think whatever I shown on the, right, on the screen, most probably they are the things which going to come. Let's see this one. Mathematical logic, 1 or 2 questions will come. Compulsory will come. Next one, graph theory, 1 or 2 questions will come. Sets, relations, functions, lattices, right? 1 or 2 questions will come. Permutations and combination, this is a little bit bigger, but it is there in the, right, permutations and combination. It is there in the discrete mathematics also, right? Basic mathematics also. And one more thing is, right, basic mathematics, right, discrete mathematics, and one more thing, aptitude also. It will be there everywhere. So here also you are going to get 4 marks from this. Please study properly. Group theory also you study lastly. Here you may get 1 question may be possible from the group theory. This is a very, 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 very easy subject, right? So don't do this much huge syllabus, right? Please follow whatever teacher will say, right? If you follow our classes, as it is, whatever is there in the classroom, mostly you will get. So logic first. Do, I think, all the PYQs you do. Graph theory, all the PYQs you do. Class notes, all the PYQs. Sets, relations, functions, lattices, right? Class notes followed by all PYQs you do. Permutations and combinations. Next one, similarly, right? Group theory also. This is a very, 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 right, lengthy subject people used to say, but marks you will get so easily, right? Please concentrate on this. Whatever I said, please study, right? Compulsory study whatever I said. If you study more, no problem, because sometimes we cannot predict what is going to be happen, right? Something which I said will come may not come also. But mostly by seeing all the last 17 years my experience, whatever is more important, I said to you, please do this first. If you have time, you can do remaining things also. Let's go to operating system. Operating system, CPU scheduling compulsory, 1 or 2, right? 1 or 2 questions will come. Semaphores guarantee, means process synchronization, semaphores guarantee will come. Memory management, 1 or 2 questions will come. Deadlock, 1 or 2 questions will come, right? Minimum study this. Minimum study. If you have time, you can study more also. And whatever teacher will say, please study, plus PYQs. If you can do this, it's more than enough. Next one, database management, normalization. Every year, 1 or 2 questions are coming from here. SQL queries are compulsory. Relational algebra and SQL, mostly it will come every year, right? Maybe 2 SQL queries are coming. Sometimes I used to see 3 SQL queries also. Transaction management, right? Serializability questions are coming. Please take care. Indexing, B trees, B plus trees also coming. Please take care. This is also very, very easy subject. Easily you will get the marks. I just want to ask one quick question to all of you. Which subject do you find most difficult till now? Just comment the subject name. No explanation needed to me. Just comment the subject name. Is algorithm is difficult to you, you felt? Or a data structure? Or a TOC? Or a discrete mathematics? Which one you felt? Which one you felt difficult? Please comment, so that I can do some detailed videos or detailed strategies, right, for those corresponding subjects. Don't miss to comment, so that I can give some valuable suggestions, valuable videos, valuable strategies to crack those difficult subjects. Yeah, next one is a computer organization, floating point representation. Every year is coming. Cache mapping techniques. Every year is coming. Pipelining. Every year is coming. Addressing modes. Right. I think comparing with the above three, this may be sometimes, but these all four are very, very important. Please go through it one time. Study minimum these and the PYQs. Let's go to digital logic design. Right. Minimization using K-maps. Boolean algebra. Number system. Right, combinational circuits, sequential circuits, right? These are also, please take care, it is a very easy subject. One time if you study, you will get the maximum marks from this. Minimization using K-maps, every year is coming. Boolean algebra, some simplification, something like that. Number system, right? One system to another system changing, right? Everyone whoever teaching the digital, the first chapter is they will teach the number systems only. Combinational circuit, sequential circuit, something like flip-flops and all the things will be there. Or state machine, mealy machine, more machine, something like that. So please go ahead this. Digital logic design, please study this. Let's go to aptitude. Right, aptitude, actually, to be frank, there is no important, there is no unimportant, something like that. So all the things you have to study, but based on the last 15 years, whatever topics are coming repeatedly, those things I listed out, right? So reading comprehension, right, they will give one paragraph, based on that some questions will be there. Next one is a percentage questions, ratio and right, proportion, average, right, average things, and time and work, time, speed, distance, probability, data interpretation, logical and reasoning questions, permutations and combinations. Right? All are important in my opinion. Right? In the aptitude, all are important by seeing the previous year, which the things which are repeating again and again. Those things I kept here. But I recommend everyone, aptitude, please study everything, because it is required in every competitive exam. So I request everyone, whatever there in the syllabus, everything you study in the aptitude. Right? Fine. Let's go to engineering mathematics. Right? Linear algebra. Right? Matrix, rank finding, eigenvalues, and properties. Right? All the things you can study. Probability. This is there. Right? This is the part of the engineering mathematics, discrete mathematics. Right? And aptitude also. Right? Most probably these all are combined. Next one, calculus, limits, L-Hospital rule, maximum, minimum, right? Derivatives, all the things you have to take care. Whatever teacher will say, please follow. Right? In exam prep tool, right? Umama Exparao sir is teaching the engineering mathematics. Right? Sir is having 20 years experience. Whatever sir will say, please follow it. Whatever sir will say, please follow. Plus PYQs, it is more than enough. If you think this video helped you think clearly, I request you share it with your friends who is preparing seriously. Most students fail because they prepare alone. And if you want exam focused, no time waste content, you can subscribe to this channel, right? It will not only motivate you, it will make your preparation into marks. Subject number 13. So C programming. I think C programming, some questions are standard, most probably static variable, right? One question may come, static variable. Recursion, mostly one more question will come. Arrays, right? I think some address finding, right? Some small operations with the arrays that may come. Pointers, right? It will come. And most important thing, remember, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, combined also they can ask. Some questions combination of 1 and 2. Some question combination of 3 and 4. Some questions a combination of all 4. But remember, these 4 things mostly will come. Individually can come, combinedly also can come. Right? Most of the examination combinedly. Pointer and recursion, pointer and arrays, pointer and static variable. So something like that combination will be there. It's a very easy, very, I think everyone can score maximum marks. Everyone can score maximum marks. If you study all these 13 subjects, whatever I said, if you study all these 13, whatever topics I said, maximum marks you can score after studying these, right? Remaining things, if you have time, you can study remaining also. But you can gain maximum marks. In my opinion, 90 plus marks, you can get it. These are the standard things which are coming again and again from so many years. Many students are asking what is the order of the subjects, right? Order of the subjects and weightage of the subjects. Order of the subjects, first you can study algorithm, followed by, right, C programming, followed by data structure. So algorithm 8 to 10 marks you will get. C programming and data structure 10 to 12 marks you will get. Next, discrete mathematics. Next, theory of computation. Discrete mathematics 8 to 10 marks. Theory of computation 7 to 10 marks. Compiler design 5 to 8 marks. Aptitude, as usual, it is fixed 15 marks. Engineering mathematics 8 to 10 marks. Computer network 8 to 10 marks. Operating system 8 to 10 marks. Digital logic design 5 to 8 marks. Right? Computer organization 8 to 10 marks. Database 8 to 10 marks. So try to understand sometimes, so right, sometimes maybe this 8 to 10, sometimes maybe 6 marks, sometimes maybe 12 marks. So every subject, wherever I written 8 to 10, there I think on an average, sometimes maybe 6, sometimes maybe 12, sometimes maybe 8, sometimes maybe 10, sometimes maybe 9, on an average. Right? Roughly I given by observing, because some few years more will come, few years less will come, on an average I done. This is the subjects order. So I think most importantly, so TOC and compiler. First to TOC, next to compiler. Year one. Next one, if you go to the right, and few more subjects, if you observe, operating system, digital logic design, computer network. So among all these, I think you can study this first. You can study this next. You can study this next. Right? 1, 2, 3 order. First you study digital, next operating system, next is going to be computer organization. If you study any order also, no problem, but if you study 1, 2, 3 fashion, that is perfect. Remaining, I think nowhere there is a linking. Right? Algorithm subject you can study first, C programming, next data structure. This is the order. However, any order you can follow. So the most probably whatever is the order is there, I already listed out. These are the subjects and this is the right weightage. Right? Fine. At any point of time, if you have any doubt, you can WhatsApp us. This is our WhatsApp number. Just ping us. We are going to help you. Before concluding this video, remember one important thing. GATE is not about studying more. It is about studying the right things, right way. If you focus on these topics, whatever I said, and if you practice regularly, and test yourself honestly and clear doubts on time, 90 plus is very easy. It is not a dream. 90 plus becomes so realistic if you follow whatever topics I said and if you do with consistently with a discipline. All the best. See you in the next video. Thank you.